Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev B. If you're new to this channel, welcome, GWAN. Make sure you are subscribed down below. So we'll be working with wigginshair.com, and I just want to show you guys what I got in my package that you can get on the website, as well all these good stuff that you will need to install your unit. So the wig that we'll be styling today is their Wear and Go Kinky Straight unit in 24 inches, and this is their 7x4 lace closure. Now straight out of the package you can see that this wig is already pre-cut for you. The knots are already bleached and the hair is pretty much pre-plucked and everything is already done for you. So all you need to do is style this hair however you choose. So I'm doing a quick shed test, making sure that the hair isn't shedding, and I didn't experience any shedding at all with this unit. It also came with an adjustable band for the inside, so you can wear it just as it's advertised to wear and go. So I wanted to hot comb the front of this hair just to make it flat. I know that with kinky straight units, it's gonna have its natural kinks that's gonna make it a little bit higher on top, but given how my head is shaped, I need my hair to be flat. So I'm gonna go in with my handy dandy hot comb. So first what I did was put some fly away tamer on the front, and then I went in with the hot comb, and this is gonna give it a not so sleek but sleek type of look, if you know what I'm saying. Basically we're just trying to get the top flat, so we're trying to get the front to lay backwards and then the front parting to be flat. So next what I'm gonna do is use some serum, and this is to protect the hair from heat damage. It's still human hair, so you don't want to overheat the hair, especially since we want it to still have its natural kinky textured type of look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with a flat iron, and by using the flat iron I'm not trying to get the hair sleek per se. I'm just going to get it like a little bit more tamed and a little bit more, dare I say, uniform, but not really uniform. I'm just trying to get the little kinks at the bottom, if you know what I'm saying, just to get that a little bit straight. So I'm just gonna go with the flat iron, and I'm not trying to do too much with it. Now the inspo that I had for this hair was to do a wand curl with it, but not a silky type of wand curl, more like a loose type of kinky wave. So a regular curling iron wouldn't have given me the look that I was going for, so I needed to use a wand iron, and I didn't even use it long on there. I just wanted to give it almost like a beach wave, almost like if you had really long natural hair that you blow dried and then did some flexi rods on. So I'm just going to continue curling the hair until I get that loose beachy wave type of vibe. So next I'm going to use some hairspray. Now what you want to do is spray the hairspray on the hair before you curl it, not after, because it's going to make it drop just a little bit. So I learned to spray it on the hair then curl it, and that's going to really hold the curls in place. So now what I'm going to do is use some bronzing powder on the lace just to make sure that it's matching my complexion as best as possible, because I want this to look like scalp. And since I'm already wearing makeup and I'm all bronzed out, I need that lace to match the bronze that is already on my forehead. So after I adjust the band on the inside, I'm just gonna shift the wig until I am satisfied. And this is definitely a wear and go type of wig. However, what I've realized with the cutting of the lace is that if it's too uniform, the zigzag is a bit too perfect, it's gonna be super obvious. So you don't want the cut to look too straight. You don't want it to have a uniformed, swiggly type of look. You want it to look a little bit haphazard. That's what you need it to do. You need it not to look so uniform. So I'm gonna use some Got to Be glued on the tail part of this comb, And I'm just gonna dab that on the lace just a little bit. It's still gonna be glueless in a sense because we're not really spraying anything directly on the scalp. We're just gonna give that a tad touch, like a little dap, like nothing too serious. And then use a blow dryer to just get it to lay flat. Because I realized if you use this, or you can use mousse depending on if you're wearing makeup or not. Since I already have on makeup, I don't want to put mousse on it because mousse is gonna move my makeup. So if you put something slightly wet, even if it's a little bit of hairspray on it, it's gonna make the lace of the wig lay on your forehead properly. It's still glueless because you can still move the wig without much effort, but you're just trying to get that lace to lay down. So I sprayed the Got To Be on the hair itself because I want it to be a laid back type of look. And then I put some more bronzing powder on the front and also on my parting space. Since I didn't do like a ball cap method, I don't want the lace, not the lace, the cap under the wig to show. So I'm just going to use some more of that bronzer just to blend it all in. So this is what the wig is looking like after everything is together. Like, look how much more effortless and flawless that is. This hair is so big and pretty, and against this green shirt, I'm like, girl, we're giving enchanted right now. It is gorgeous. It's giving fall ready. It's giving natural. Like, girl, how are you gonna tell me this isn't my hair? Like, it's kinky textured and everything. The waves were just gorgeous. They didn't fall too much. They fall perfectly in place. Like, it's still defined. It's gorgeous. Like, I'm obsessed. All I can think about is calling this hair gorgeous. Let me know what you think about this unit. All the details will be in the description box down below. Follow me on all social media platforms at Chev. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Go and big up on yourself. Bye, guys.